Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on walk-behind scrubber dryers. These are 3-in-1 workhorses that completely revolutionize commercial floor maintenance by replacing those inefficient mobs and buckets. First, let's look at sheer efficiency. They simultaneously scrub, vacuum, and dry in a single pass, cutting cleaning time by over 50%. Why just push dirty water around with a mop when you can actively extract the grime? Take the AA2217 model. Its 22-inch rotating brush can conquer up to 38,000 square feet in an hour, running continuously for about 3 hours on one charge. That's a massive space. Now, moving faster doesn't mean cutting corners. Second, you get superior hygiene and eco-consciousness. The machine constantly uses clean water while instantly vacuuming up the dirty stuff. This deep clean meets strict ISO and HACCP standards, absolutely crucial for hospitals and food processing. Plus, precise dosing means way less wastewater. Finally, linking that hygienic efficiency to your bottom line, we get massive labor savings and safety. One machine easily does the work of 2 to 3 people. It's super ergonomic, needs virtually zero training, hums at a quiet 70 decibels, and leaves floors instantly dry, completely eliminating slip and fall hazards. Ultimately, upgrading to a walk-behind scrubber dryer is a smart investment that guarantees faster, safer, and remarkably cleaner floors. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 5% off your next purchase at IOLITH. Just use the promo code IOLITH2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out.